Hello friends. So next we will discuss about strings. So in C we don't have any data type strings. Strings in C means it is a character array. And every string ends with a null terminating character. Suppose we want to declare one character, we can use char. Suppose we want to store one name, so we can use name. And here we can use character array size. Suppose here we are telling like free coding. Then we need to print that string. Then we can tell printf percentage s we can use. Then name. Suppose we are run this, we will get free coding. Here we can tell the size of the array also. We can tell 50 and we will run this. We will get the output free coding. But we are telling here less characters. I was telling like character 5. So this string length is more than 5, right? So we will run this. It will show error. Okay. Okay. We can do that. So this is the one method. We can use like this also. We can just remove this in curly braces, open curly braces. We can tell f is an character, comma, r, comma, e. Yes, we can tell it free only. Okay. And the last we can tell the terminating operator also. So we can tell slash 0. Then also we will get that string. Suppose we want to remove that. Recoding. Here we are telling name of 0 means it will print F. That time we need to use percentage C. See, we are getting F. So we need to modify the string. We can use name of 0. We can tell like W. Then we will print percentages name to put semicolon also. See, F is replaced by W. Okay, this way we can modify the string. Suppose we want to input and string. So here we can tell character name of array, and here we can tell scanf. Scanf, we can tell percentage is name. We will run this. Okay, in that time we need to just tell the size of the array. We can tell just name of 50. Then we can run. Then we can tell free coding. Then enter. See, we are input like free coding, but we are getting free only. Okay, so we are using scanf. Any white space is there, then it will terminate the spell. Suppose here we are using free without spacing coding, then it will print. If space is there, then scanf will not work. In that time, we can use another methods like getters or fgetters. So here we can use fgetters name, and it will ask the size of the string, that is 50, and the file standard input. Then we will run this free coding. Then we will enter, we will get free coding. Suppose we need to loop through all character array, then we can use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than, we can just tell 20, I plus plus, then printf, we can tell percentage C. We can tell like name of I. We can run this code, free coding. Then also we are getting free coding. But we are printing 20 length. That's why we are getting some other symbols. Okay. So we can tell I equal to 10. We will run this free coding. C programming. Then we are getting C programming. So here we are telling just 10 characters. So that's why we are getting C program. Okay. So this way we can use input the string and we can loop through each characters. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.